Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Mark Lintot, your student teacher for today. I have prepared another lesson for you today. Sama-sama tayo matuto. Tara! Today, I will discuss about premarital sex. What is premarital sex?
Premarital sex is sexual activity practiced by people before they are married. Historically, premarital sex was considered a moral issue, which was taboo in many cultures and considered a sin by a number of religions. But since about the 1960s, it has become more widely accepted, especially in Western countries, from Wikipedia.
To sum up, this is a sexual intercourse between a man and a woman who are not married to each other.
Risk of premarital sex is study including hepatitis, premarital pregnant, unintended pregnancies, infertility, abduction and ritual, religious and social effects, premarital bonding, emotional manipulation. As a youngster, what are you going to do to prevent these things to happen?
As a youngster, awareness is more important for me. Knowledge of such things can help me figure out of what to do and not to do to avoid this.
Are you going to speak up to your family if certain concerns arise? Or will you go with the flow and do the same things as well?
First, this is important to consult our parents because they are the ones who have enough knowledge on such things. Let us not be ashamed or afraid to ask them because it is also for our good.
What do you think is the role of your family and parents in preventing these things to happen?
The role of the parent is to guard and guide their children to the right path. No matter what happens, they should always be there to love and support their children.
Premarital sex does not do well for a young couple. Sexual attraction is bad, especially if you are not married in legal age. You may not able to finish school just in case you get pregnant, and you may also fall victim to the spread of ailments called AIDS. It is not wrong to have sex, but you should remember that this activity is only for the couples who are married.
So young people, they'll never get obsessed with premarital sex. No to premarital sex! I hope you learned something from me today. See you next week. Bye-bye!